Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can immediately update the iOS to the latest version on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings, and in the Settings page we scroll down and then tap on General. Next, tap on Software Update, then just wait. And then we go down and tap on Update Now. Next, you need to enter your screen passcode. Then the phone will go ahead and check to see if there is a newer version of the update. If there is, then you have to agree. Tap on the Agree button, then tap on Agree. And the phone will go ahead and try to connect to the Apple update server. And then once it finds the new update file, it will download to your device. Once it's downloaded, you can then choose to install the update. Now the other option is to update at a scheduled time. So previously you see how there is a schedule. So tonight, so you tap on that and you schedule your update to run at night time, so during the time that you sleep. So when you sleep, the phone will run the update, and by the time you wake up, it has finished the update. And that's it. That is how you can update your iOS to the latest version on the iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.